So as you can see here, we're absolutely chock-a-block.
Well, the first thing that was obvious and apparent was the fact that once you've made sort of half a dozen benches and a picnic table, you're sort of climbing over things to escape in the evening. So we thought, yeah, we better look for somewhere. We were very fortunate in finding an empty part of a mill in Colne.
Hi, welcome to phase 2 of the development of Kido. We're here in a new warehouse in Daisy Mills on Daisy Street, Waterside in Colne. We are just finishing drying off the floor after cleaning it all and getting it ready for painting tomorrow. And in the corner over there, you'll be able to see the office symbol. Again, mainly thanks to Kieran, of course. This is going to be Kido's home for the next 2 to 3 years, and at the side we've got expansion space if we need it, and that's where we're planning on going.
One of the reasons we wanted to move there was that we wanted to buy a flatbed CNC.
A flatbed CNC essentially is a computerised cutting and drilling machine. The flatbed refers to the fact that ours is 1.5 by 3 metres long, and it holds down the parts that you're cutting or drilling through suction. It actually sucks an incredible amount of suction, sucking it to the bed of the CNC table. And then these automated drills go backwards and forwards and cut out the shapes that you need to. So if you're going to do mass production, you need every part to be the same, exactly the same, with the holes in the same place. Especially if you're sending them out partially fabricated or flat pack. This really speeds up production, although financing it was an amazing headache. Yes, it cost £59,000. What we didn't take into account was the VAT on top of that, which was another 11 grand. So in the short-term cash flow at the time, that caused us a massive headache. We had to borrow that 11,000 short-term and then pay it back when we asset financed the machine, which is how we eventually paid for it all.